If your car's air conditioning isn't producing cold air, there are several potential reasons for this issue. One common cause is low refrigerant fluid levels or a leak, which can be detected by a technician using an ultraviolet dye. If a leak is found, the faulty component will need to be replaced. Or if too much refrigerant has been lost, the system will require a complete drainage and refill. Another possible reason is a clogged cabin air filter, which can be resolved by replacing the old filter with a new one, allowing the AC system to function optimally. A malfunctioning compressor, which is responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant, can also cause warm air to blow from the vents. In this case, a mechanic's diagnosis and repair are necessary. By addressing these potential issues, you can fix a car AC that isn't blowing cold air and restore comfortable temperature control to your vehicle.